Fire and plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Lie to me and say my booty.
Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, I did spoil a little bit myself because I deserve it. Well, I don't know exactly, but I did spoil a little bit myself. So I got the Don't At Me from Quay. I don't even know how to say that. And this is their recent collaboration with Desi Perkins. And I'm going to unbox this with you guys. So if you're curious to see what color I got, then please keep watching. Can you guess what color I got? Alright, so let me tell you the story behind this purchase. So as I said in a few videos ago, I started to work, and I work in 3 shifts, like morning, evening and night. Oh, this is dangerous. So on May 1st I wake up at 2 p.m. because the night before I was on my night shift. So I already knew that my bank account was happy that day. So I woke up at 2 p.m. and I was on Instagram like I usually do when I wake up. I check my Instagram, and the first picture that I saw that day, like the first thing that I saw when I opened my Instagram, it was this picture from I Love Sarai, and I said, okay, I need those glasses. She looks stunning. So I went on Quay, Australia, and I purchased them from Instagram, I guess. So yeah, I spoiled myself because hashtag I deserve it. So I think I purchased them on Wednesday, and then on Monday they arrived at my door. So they were sent from UK, and of course I got the free shipping because my order was 70 euros. So I got the free shipping, and that was super fast. Alright, let's open this because I'm so excited to see if they are alright. So you can see the box is huge for a pair of glasses, of sunglasses. So I usually don't buy expensive sunglasses, but I have to get them. Like, I love Desi Perkins and I love all her collaboration with Quay. And I feel like they are kind of expensive, like all the collaboration they do with influencers or famous people, I guess. They are kind of expensive, but yeah, I have to have them. I usually buy my sunglasses on Shein or Amazon, you know, cheap. I like cheap. Alright, there we go. I saw Desi just in Quay, Australia. It's Desi Perkins Sahara. I love the Sahara ones, but I feel like this fits me better, like Don't At Me, okay? Alright, so the glasses are 60 euros, and then I got a tri-fold case for 10 euros. And yeah, this is the shipping card, I guess, and we see Desi here. She's so cute. I love her. Okay, that's empty. That's for my cat. She loves boxes. Doesn't smell. Alright, so it's very nice wrapped. It says Quay, Australia. Very nice, very fancy. I'm going to open it like this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so first, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, so these are the glasses. They already came in a clear case, so I didn't know that, but hey. So here it says Don't At Me. Ooh, girl. Oh, this is super sleek and nice. So this is super cute. I already like the case. It says Quay, Australia x Desi Perkins. Let's open this. It smells like plastic. So we have that little thing to wipe the glasses. Not to wipe them, to clean them, okay? Alright, so as you can see, I got the black ones because I love black sunglasses. I think they are super fancy, like expensive. They look expensive. And here they are. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Okay, so here it says take a selfie and tag us. Of course I'm going to do that, like hello. That's why I got them. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so let's see how they fit me. Oh, I feel like they are a little bit large for me, but they are so cute. Like, okay, I'm going to take this off. There we go. Better, that's better. So this is how you wear them, like on the tip of your nose. I'm in love. I feel like they are a little bit too large, like I have small head, so they are a little bit too large for me, but it's okay, I can still rock them. But my only wish was that the lens to be extra black, like you can see my eyes, and I don't kind of like that. So I like the lenses to be super black so you can't see me. So for example, it looks like I'm talking to you, but I'm looking over there because I spot a hottie. So that's why I like extra black lens, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't stay under the sun so they can see your eyes. So what do you guys think? I think they are a little bit too expensive for what they are. I know it's a collaboration, but 60 euros for a pair of sunglasses. They are adorable, don't get me wrong. I love supporting other people if I can. I'm hashtag poor, but I had to have them anyways. But I don't know, so they fit super nice, like on my head, and they don't feel heavy on my nose, so I don't think I'm going to get those marks around my nose. I don't know, I have to wear them to play with them. So I like them. And then I got this tri-fold case. This is in gold because the black one was a little bit cheaper, so I went for the expensive one because I'm rich. No, I'm just kidding, what the heck. And this is so cute. Oh my god, this is fancy. It smells kind of bad, but this looks super fancy. So I can fit my makeup brushes in here, I guess, right? Let me see if they fit in here. No, has to be a little bit smaller, like this one. Oh, this one fits perfectly. Okay, so I can use this to travel, so I can fit my brushes in here. Let's see how the glasses fits. Alright, so they fit perfectly. The case I think is made from faux leather and it's very cute. It's gold and it has that magnetic close, as you can see, and on the inside is black velvet, and I don't know, I think it's pretty genius. Like, whoever designed this is a genius. This folds and looks like a wallet, and I don't know, 10 euros. I don't think this is expensive, like, at all. I do really think this worth the money, and the color is so pretty, like gold. So my thoughts are that they are a little bit too expensive, like 60 euros for a pair of sunglasses. Oh my god. And I wish they were like extra black. You see, you can see my eyes. So I know that they are expensive, but they also feel expensive, like well made. So they are made from plastic, obviously, and here this piece is from metal, and it says don't at me and made in China. I don't know if the camera will focus. So it says don't at me, and here made in China, and on the other side it says Quay X Desi. And also here on the front it says Quay, stay shady. So on the delivery type it says free next business day because I'm rich and I can afford it. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. I feel like I'm super extra in this video. I don't know why. Yeah, I know why. So this is what I was talking about, like super dark lenses. These are from Shein or Inside, and they were like 6 or 8 euros. Super cheap. And of course these are a little bit big for my small head as well, but I feel like not every sunnies fits my small head, so if I have my hair down I can still wear them, I guess. But this is what I was talking about, like super dark lenses so you can't see my eyes. You see, I am talking to you but actually I'm looking over there. So yeah, I do like them. These are my go-to sunnies if I go like to the drugstore or groceries. You'll see me in these sunnies. So I did sit on them and they almost broke, but you know, 6 euros or 8, I don't know. If I can find the link, I'm going to link them down below. Also, I'm going to link these beautiful sunglasses down below as well. And yeah, can you tell I'm a little bit extra in this video? I'm sorry, I don't wanna look like a spoiled brat in this video. I'm sorry if you got that impression. I do work, I paid for them with my own money, but I'm just excited because I don't have any Quay glasses, and these are from sunglasses, and these are from Desi, so I love her. So I'm just excited in this video, okay? I don't want to give you the wrong impression. And now I have a case for my Shein sunnies. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you have them? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, what do you think about these sunnies? Do you think they are a little bit too expensive? Like, I don't know, let me know. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I feel like I'm not prepared to film this video, and I'm so sorry because this is the only free time I got to film this video and I want to make it right. No, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. Excuse me, what? So that day. Okay, that's enough. Oh my, I cannot speak. Bye.